What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Chef Matiko. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Look at my outfit. It's crazy, right? I was in the beach, and today I'm going to take you through my studio room in Gandia. I'm in Gandia. I'm coming live from Gandia. Gandia is found in Valencia. We are in the coast of Spain. I'm going to take you through this amazing studio room that we rented for 1 week at 500 euros. That is equals to 50,000 Kenya shillings for a week, and it's so good because I'm going to show you how it looks like. Starting by this side, we have already messed it up, but it's okay. This is a fridge where we keep our food, of course. Super amazing, super cool. It has enough space. Of course, you can see it has big space. Our food is already here, and we have a beautiful cooker here. Beautiful cooker here. We will be preparing our food. You know, of course, it's super clean. I already messed it up, but it's super clean. We have places to keep utensils, skull knife, pans, everything. The kitchen is well set. And of course, here you have air. It's like a conditioner where, you know, if you have a lot of smoke, of course, the kitchen, it exits out the air. Sorry. And here we have a sink. It has water. It has clean water, and of course we are in Gandia, close to the sea. Only 10 meters, guys. And of course we have a television for news and everything. We have a small table here. I've already messed it up with my glasses and everything, but you can see it has 2 chairs. Of course, for 2 people. Right? We have 2 chairs. The flowers here, beautiful, amazing, and we have an extra chair here. Look at it. I've messed everything up because I was so excited because it's my first time in the coast of Spain. I'll be shooting videos to show you around. It's my first time, and of course today I was swimming but touching the ground. But no worries, you will see a lot of tutorials. We have a chair here, a 2-sister, big chair, enough, spacious. You can sit, but I could have sat down, but I'm wet. You can see here, enough space. There is a flower, and you can see the door is very big. Actually, out here, just next here, everything is available. Shops, malls, everything. And on my left, sea. Let's go to the bedroom. Let's see how it looks like. So right here, just come. We have an extra chair here. I've already messed my room. We have a wardrobe here to keep clothes. And this place is divided with timbers. My studio room looks so beautiful. Look at the timbers divided for privacy. You know, the bed is spacious. You can see the bed, right? The bed is spacious for 2 people. But if you're one, don't worry. Very spacious, clean, of course, welcoming. and we have one of there to keep things. We have a clock here. Just come closer, let them see. It's beautiful. Even if you spend 50,000 Kenya shillings per week, it worth it, because actually this place is so expensive. Really, I think this is the cheapest place. We have some lights there. I don't know. Oh, alright. Okay, some lighting there. You know, there another light, and we have a clock there. You can see it's super beautiful. Home framing, everything is so beautiful. Let me turn it on so that you can get to see that off. Alright, we have a place here, a very good art here to keep towels. You can see 2 towels. I don't know how they knew, you know, 2 towels extra. You know, you have sockets, charge phones everywhere. 1, 2, 3. You have another one there. You have another one in the kitchen. Let's see the bathroom. Right here is a wash basin, a sink to wash the hands. And of course, it has cold water to the right, the cold water, hot water to the left. But of course, super beautiful. Let's put some scent here. Smelling Kevin Welles. Super smelling, super good. Right, we have another towel here. I already messed things out. This tissue paper was here in the toilet, but I messed things out. But of course, we have a bathroom here. Let me see the bathroom. We have a very beautiful mirror here. Wow, come, let them see the bathroom. We have a bathroom here. It can occupy 2 people. Alright, taking shower. You can imagine that romantic season and the romantic time. We have a shower here, hot and cold shower, of course. And of course, we have a small toilet here. You can see it. Just turn around, just like this. So, you have a small toilet here, it has water there. And of course, you can see the floor is very neat. Because they have Wi-Fi, free Wi-Fi. You can see the router there, right there, you know. So, it's worth the money. Even up there. I don't know what material is this, but I don't know. Anyway, that was a tour, my studio room tour here in Gandia. Let's get to see our next videos that will be coming up from Gandia. So thank you so much for watching this short clip, short video. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, because that's one way for supporting your boy. So see you next time. Gandia, here we are, Valencia. Adiós.
Thank you.